Grill Alliance, everything that you need for your griddle and barbecue. Remember, every part of the unit, it's got a reason for it. Stiff spatula. Grill Alliance is for your grill and barbecue and cooking needs. We have here, going to open up the product, show you what you get inside, and nicely packaged it is. For further details about each of the parts, go online for further detail. Here we have is a part that you can make hamburgers. Easy to clean, take off, and smaller parts inside. We have two small containers, salt and pepper, spices and whatnot. We have a Scotch brush, a regular brush, silicone, a jar that you could put your sauces in, hooks so you could put your items on and products on, some hardware to make different shapes, a circle and the heart of your food. We have a nice bowl and handle that is a cover, hamburgers, cheese, saute, and more. The next part is a carrying bag that you can put some items in, like your nice wide spatula, size of a large hand. A scraper so you can separate your food and pick up and chop. Two wide spatulas in different angles. A food presser that has a little design that you press your bacon, hamburgers, meats, and poultry and more. Another container for different sauces and liquids. Two narrow spatulas with open on one and narrow on the other so you could chop and chisel. And last but least, prongs so you could pick up your chicken, poultry, meat, and other items and vegetables. Grilliance, your utensils fit nicely in the bag, most of them. And you have, so we're going to be using today the spatula, the prongs, and the other spatula. And they are pretty strong indeed to do the work that you need them to do. We got our pork chops cooking. And we got our fish cooking. Got a nice wide spatula that you could use. And a pair of prongs that you could simply check. Sharp edgings, beveled to slice, dice, and cut. Your cover to smoke and grill those cheeses and veggies and keep the steam. Put your favorite sauces and liquids in your containers. Your single hull and 5-hull salt and pepper and spice containers. Those are some of the ways you could use your Grill Alliance kit. I hope this product is something that you are after in your griddle and barbecue accessories. Thank you for viewing.